Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In the last class, I discussed about basic structure of C programming, theoretical information I gave. In this video, I am going to discuss about same basic structure of C programming with an example, right? So I told you already in the last class, so basic structure of C programming contains documentation section, link section, definition section, and global declaration section, so function declaration section, main function section, and so again last subprogram section. So I'll discuss one by one. Okay, so this is a documentation section where I can write so the name of the program, author of the program, and date of creation of the program. So this is completely called as a description. The description must be placed in between, okay, na multi-line comment. Next, link section. So here we are going to add standard library functions, standard input output header file, or hash include math.h, conio.h, string.h. So all these header files I am going to include to the current program with the help of link section. After that, definition section. So I'm defining MSG as the sum is. So wherever the MSG is throughout the program, that will be replaced by the sum is. Okay. And global declaration. So sum is a variable which I am declaring as globally. So this global declaration must be done before the main function. Okay. So next, this is a function prototype. Int add comma int, right? So this is a prototype because we are going to write the function definition here. So this generally this function definition after the main function. When you are writing this function definition after the main function, so we need to declare initially, right, the function prototype. Next, main function consists of two parts. Declaration part, where I declare the values of a and b, or simply I am declare the variable as integers here. And executable part, where that function's execution is done. So this is calling the function. So I am, for example, so I am taking a value 10, b value 20. 10 and 20 is passing to the function definition. So 10 is coming to the x and b is coming into the y, and 10 plus 20, the answer is 30. 30 will be returned to the main function from where you are calling. So this is a function calling, this is a function definition, and this is a function prototype. Okay, so let me explain this through an execution, right? So I'm compiling this, to that I'm executing this, I'm running the program, right? So it is asking that, right, enter, okay, enter the two numbers, means I'm entering 10 and 20, right? The answer is 30, right? So this is the 10 and 20 I'm entering. So 10 and 20 passing to the subprogram user definition function. So here we are defining x equal to 10 because 10 is coming from the a, 20 is coming from the y, so b, the 20 is coming from the b and 10 is coming from the a, right? So 10 plus 20, the answer is 30. So 30 will be returned to the back. So after getting the answer is in the sum, that is I'm going to printing here. Okay, so message nothing but already I defined the message as the sum is, right? So same thing will be displayed onto the screen, right? So I'm entering here, right, 10 and 20 now. So the answer is 30. Okay, anyhow, thank you very much dear students, for thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.